Hey friends, welcome to Starfall Gardens.
Here on our backyard farm, we have myself, Dana, we have
James.
And we have Rufio, who is our Schnauzer Whippet mutt. Our biggest claim to fame so far is going from about 80 square feet with just that, and just this little section, to next year, we're going to about 271 square feet. So we want to bring you along on this little project, mainly so that we can kind of have something to show ourselves in the future, and also so that we can share with you that you can do this too. There's a way to do it. We're going to be doing a lot of different varied methods, and we'll probably break it down into sections, so if you were only doing one method, you wouldn't have to follow the whole video.
We're located somewhere between 6A and 5B. It's hard to tell some years.
Last year, we had no idea what we were doing. We started in a little bit of space. With just the drive that we wanted to set time aside to do this. We wanted to learn how to grow our own food. And we were really getting tired of having a dumb lawn.
In the past, a lot of things have kept me from gardening. Mainly my schedule. I work a full-time job and I try to cram in as many things outside of work as I can, leaving me with very little time to maintain a schedule around a garden. Or so I thought. After this summer, I know that one, it's worth it. And two, it's something that as long as I'm making time for it, a little bit of time every day, or planned sessions, it's gonna be beautiful. We've already come a long way, and we predict that 2021 will be even better.
The fact that last year's garden lasted more than a week is an accomplishment.
we learned a lot last year. Understatement. This year, we want to be more intentional with remembering how we produced our own joy. Because sometimes it's really hard. And sometimes you just gotta make it yourself. And that's okay. Turns out that the only one that can make you happy is yourself. And turns out that I don't take really great pictures or videos last year. So I'm gonna get better at it.
We're attempting to use as many regenerative farming practices as we can on our gardenstead here in southeastern Michigan.
We're really interested in learning more sustainable practices. We want to share what we learn with you, because finding the online community that we have was vital to our success. And we want to be yet another voice that's back here rooting you on.
So we're here to be your biggest cheerleader.
We want to further share the resources that we use to help us level up so that you can level up too.
If you would like to see any content like this, then let us know so that we can plan on it. Because otherwise, it's just going to be for us. I just can't wait till summer.